Okay, recording has started. So welcome to hear more about Struve Business Challenge, which is a product development competition. And the purpose of the business challenge is to enhance the development of new sustainable products about our joint world heritage, which is Struve Geodetic Arc, and also enable presentation of the best outcomes of the competition for the potential market area in northern parts of Finland, Sweden and Norway. You could participate in the business challenge competition with a product or service idea, or even market-ready or nearly market-ready product or service. What is the reward? We don't provide money for winners, but we are able to provide something even better. You get visibility while we are presenting the project in different events in future, starting from Struve Expo next year and also Struve Gala in November. The duration of the contest is from 12th of April, from now, to the end of October 2021. And after that, the jury will decide who were the best candidates in the competition. Some inspiration is also given to you, as this is not the first project around Struve Geodetic Arc. We have been participating in Struve Road Network project with Finnish, Swedish, Estonian and Latvian participants, and these countries have actually made joint visits for different sites. And we also have had some ideation sessions, and people were thinking that this is actually a very good destination for different types of day tours with different types of means, like bikes, horseback riding, snowmobile. You could do treasure hunting and other experiences also. Then, on the other hand, if you are not able to make a visit, or even if you are able to make a visit, it would be nice to have a physical product also, something that you can hand over to other people. Tell that, okay, I have visited this area where you can actually see this World Heritage Site. More about inspiration later on. Keep following our channels. Then we also discussed about seasons, surrounding nature and culture. What people should do when they are not actually visiting the site, but they are sitting in a bus or being passive otherwise. Is there something that could enhance them to learn more about the sites? Then people are different. For some people, it is very easy to access Struve geodetic arc points, but for example, during one trip, it only took 15 minutes for some people to get to the top of Pullinki, but it took 2 hours for others. So you need to think about target groups and respect local culture and nature, because many of the points are in middle of nature and some of them are even on private property. You should always consider what are the correct ways to visit the site so that it is not destroyed, it is not it is respected in proper way. And that is something that you need to think about while you develop a product as well. Well, I mentioned previously that we will have the competition open until the end of October, and winners would be announced in Struve in November 21. There are 3 different categories: single product, product family or service, which is produced by an individual actor. The outcome is nearly market ready or market ready. Then we want to enhance collaboration between different actors. So we have also second category, and it is services or products developed in collaboration with several actors. And then we also expect that the outcome is market ready or nearly market ready. You may need some extra investments to make it happen, but then again, it could be ready, and we just need proper channels to market it. The third category is for people who are not really able to manufacture the product or service themselves. You can tell about your ideas of products, and this provides a chance, for example, for students and private people to take the skills and knowledge learned in school and apply them to real world situation. And we have no limitations considering third category. Selection criteria is firstly and mostly relevance to the theme of northern parts of the World Heritage Struve theoretic arc and attractiveness to the market. But we also put a lot of emphasis on sustainability and responsibility aspects. If you want to learn more about those aspects, please join our webinar in May. Especially in 18th of May, we will give lots of tips how to make your product sustainable and responsible. Then we also wish that there were products suitable for both men and women. Equal opportunities refers especially to accessibility to the services and products. And it is important to think about different types of customer groups. We will also come into this aspect later on during our webinars. And then, as I mentioned on category 2, cross-border aspects are also really nice. We don't say it's a must, but collaboration between countries will be appreciated in developing of the products. And we also think it's a good idea to consider how you pack your product. Sometimes the packing is the one thing that expresses the value of the product in relation to the Struve theoretic arc. There is a page on our struvenorth.net website about this competition, and we will also publish a submission form on website, and it will be available from 18th May 21 when we have finished our series of webinars from this spring. You can also find terms and conditions there. It's not very complicated, but some restrictions exist anyway. So briefly, that is our product development competition, and we really look forward to your responses and submissions of product ideas. Thank you.